everyone, welcome back. There's a friend backstage that I want you to meet. His name is Vern. He's going to be kind of wild and kind of resisting. That's why I gotta wear these gloves. I'll be right back. I'm going to get Vern right now. Okay, LeBurn, let's go. Hey, Vern, let's go. Hey, Vern, let's go. Let's go. Okay, Vern, we're on the air.
We're on the air?
Yes, Vern, we're on the air.
I don't see us flying.
No, Vern, when I said that we're on the air, this means we're being recorded live.
Oh, okie dokie.
There is something that I want you to do for me, Vern. Vern is going to perform a trick for us.
Oh, goody. I like to perform tricks.
But first, I gotta take these gloves off. I'm gonna use a deck of cards that I was using earlier. These. I'm gonna spread them out on the table, and I'm gonna choose 3 cards.
3?
Yes, 3 cards is all we need. Let me see. I should choose those 2 and this one. Okay. I'm going to show it real close to the camera so you all can see it. Real close. You see? There are 2 cards that are alike and 1 card is different. What do you see there, Vern?
3 cards.
I know there are 3 cards, but what are they called?
I see 2 jokers.
And what's the name of the card that's not a joker? The 3 of hearts.
The Tree of Hearts?
No, Vern, not the Tree of Hearts. The 3 of Hearts.
Oh, I thought you said the Tree of Hearts.
What he's gonna do, Vern's gonna choose one of the cards. I'm gonna turn them over. I'm gonna put it real close so you all can see it. Okay. Choose one of those 3. Alright, take your time, Vern. There's no need to rush. Okay. Okay, let's see. We got 2 jokers here. So this means that the card that Vern is holding is the 3 of hearts. Wait a minute, what's this? It's not the 3 of hearts. Look, it's the Tree of Hearts.
See? I told you it was the Tree of Hearts.
Vern is a real good magician. He has switched the 3 of hearts to the Tree of Hearts.
Oh, good. I'm happy that I'm a good magician.
Alright, Vern, say goodbye to everybody.
Bye-bye, everybody.
Okay, bye.